Hello friends, good morning. How all are you? Fine. You enjoyed lot in your Diwali vacation? Okay, now let's start our November portion. Chapter number 15, Fun with Clay. You can open your textbook, page number 99, chapter 15, Fun with Clay. Children, here given one story. There was a kothimbu, one fruit. It was running fence by fence. There came one crow. By seeing it, crow wanted to eat the kothimbu. Crow had opened its beak to eat kothimbu. It said, "Bapu, you cannot eat me by dirty beak. First find some water and wash it." Crow went near the well to wash its beak. It said to the well said, "If you want water, go to the potter and bring a pot, then fetch water." Crow flew away to the potter and said, "Children, this lesson about pottery. Do you know what is pottery? In our house, various types of pots we use. But how it making? Do you know, children? This lesson we are going to learn fun with clay. That means pottery. Children, what is pottery? Do you know earthen cups? Have you seen earthen cups? Okay. Earthen cups and pots are made of wet clay. Objects made up out of wet clay are called pottery. Which utensils we made from wet clay, that are called pottery. And who making pots? Early man made many pots by shaping them with his hand. Before many years ago, early man made clay pots with his hand. He used them to store food and water. What was the purpose of pots? To store food and water. Then came potter's wheel, and man could make beautiful and smooth pots faster. Have you seen potter's wheel? The potter used that wheel to make pots. Okay, let's learn about the potter's wheel. A potter's wheel has a round, flat wooden or metal surface that can spin while the potter shapes the clay on it. Okay, a potter's wheel has a round. What's the shape of potter's wheel? Round and flat wooden or metal surface that can spin. Spin means it can roll, it can round, while the potter shapes the clay on it. Here picture given the potter's wheel. Making a pot. How the potter make a pot? The potter spins a lump of clay on the wheel. First he kept a lump of clay on the wheel. He pokes both thumbs into the top of the lump to make it hollow and smoothens it with his hands. And after that he smoothens with his hands. With his hands he make it soft, and after that he spins the potter's wheel. This forms a potter with low thick sides. The potter can shape the sides into the desired form by pressing and pinching one hand on the other inside and one hand on the outside of the spinning pot. Here picture given, that is the potter is making pots. Children, tomorrow we will continue the chapter 15, Fun with Clay. and the story also, story of a Kothimbu. Okay.